Hi buddies, welcome back. Today we want to go ahead and insert an SD card to your Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE 5G. For that, we need to take our SIM card ejector or a simple paper clip, and then we need to find our SIM card slot, and on the tablet it's on the top, and now we need to put on our SIM card ejector and open that slot. And now this is our SIM card tray. We have our SIM card inserted already, and now we take our SD card and insert that as well. And now we'll put the whole thing back in the device. And the first thing we need to do is to unlock our SIM card. And now we're back on the phone. And if we go to our settings now and then go to battery and device care, and we go to storage, we have our internal storage here, and then we have our SD card. So you can just swipe left and right to see your internal storage and your SD card, and then you can go ahead and store your stuff like music, photos, contacts and other things on your SD card. So that's how you can insert an SD card to your Galaxy Tab S9 FE 5G. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.